Siena, Tuscany, beautiful place. La Vecchia Latteria, the old milk spot. Let me do a little, oh my.
Welcome to the Gelato 500, where we search for the best gelato in all of Italy. Today we are in Siena, a fiercely unique place built on competition. For centuries, Siena has been at war with the Roman Empire, at war with its neighbors, and at war with itself. While the rest of the world is convincing the masses to love thy neighbor, Siena is creating warriors. Here you're born into one of 17 neighborhoods. These are your colors for life. You love your neighborhood, you love your family, and you love God. The other 16 neighborhoods of Siena, however, are your lifelong enemies. While other cities slip into modern malaise and decay, Siena is different. Siena still lives by strong moral codes. You will not see graffiti, dilapidated property, garbage on the streets, or riffraff. The strong sense of neighborhood pride and competition to be the best in everything will not allow for it. You better believe that all the nanas are watching through their windows. Everything one could ever need comes from the neighborhood. In turn, everything is given back to the neighborhood. This is a lifelong process steeped in honor and tradition, passed on from one generation to the next. It is the perfect circle of life.
Oh man, don't want to get squashed by this e-bike or scooter or car. Jeez Louise. Gelato 500, looking for the best gelato in all of Italy. Here we are, guys. A beautiful town. City, I should say. Is it pointing at me or is it pointing up? I see the lens going up. Is it good? Get closer, Nikki, get closer. How's that? All right, guys, here we are. Siena, Tuscany, beautiful place. La Vecchia Latteria, the old milk spot. Let me do a little, oh my. Okay. Sorry, this is bad entertainment. Holy shit, goddamn. La Vecchia Latteria, very highly rated place. Everybody knows what's going on here. The cup, I don't want to get it out of focus. Not that you can see with the ice cream or anything. Oh, maybe this side. Guys, 2 baseline flavors. And may I say, they've been very generous with their flavors. This is a small, €2.50. When I see this much quantity, I don't expect quality. But right off the bat, I'm telling you I'm wrong. Mike, Nikki, taste the chocolate. What do you think of that?
It's good.
Very good, very good. And the pistachio, you want to taste a bit just to see what's going on?
Sure.
No, you don't like it? Not good? I love it. It's very nutty. Oh, wow, okay. 2 baseline flavors. Pistachio, chocolate. But before we do that, interesting spot. We're somewhat in the middle of traffic. Gelateria is there. Look around, Nikki. See what we got here. Beautiful spot. It's beautiful pine tree. Beautiful buildings. I'm not sure if you could see it here. Walk over here. Are you able to capture that? There's the big Duomo of the city. Can you catch that there? The dome? Kind of. I know. It's a very wide angle lens. Let's go back to our spot here. Oh, I like the car behind us. It's a nice effect. All right, guys. 3 criteria, as always: flavor, texture, vibe. Sorry, it's dripping all over me. The pistachio is different. Far different than anything I've tasted in Italy so far. It's super concentrated pistachio flavor. The chocolate's good too. Not as good as the pistachio, in my opinion. Okay. Flavor, let's go flavor. Flavor score. Flavor score, pretty good. I'm going 7.5 out of 10. That's a solid 7.5. Texture, it's all right. It doesn't have that cool, refreshing feeling in my mouth going down my throat. Texture, I'm going 6. Vibe, I gotta say, I'm kind of in love with this place right now. The walk-through, nice forested area there. There's a stadium for the city that goes behind those trees. There's a cove that goes down. And that's where the soccer team for the city plays. So I'm going high score on vibe. I'm going 10 on vibe. So we got a 6, 7, 10.
6.5.
6, 7, 10 is a 6.5?
No. It's like 7.5.
Oh, right. 7.5. Then 6, was it?
Yeah.
Fuck, I always do this. Okay.
13.5.
So 23.5?
Yeah.
Okay. Not bad. 23.5. Whatever that is out of 10. Any guesses? That's a tough one.
No.
All right. La Vecchia, Siena.
Hey, you made it to the end. Like and subscribe to join us on more gelato adventures. Leave a comment about your favorite gelato shop.